Everyone loves the idea of exploring new places, but turning that dream into reality requires a bit of planning. Before you even start booking tickets, it's important to get clear about your travel goals. Are you looking for adventure, relaxation, or maybe a bit of both? Take a moment to imagine your ideal trip. This first step will help guide all your decisions moving forward, ensuring your journey is tailored to your interests and desires. Let's begin by setting the foundation for an unforgettable adventure. Once you know what kind of experience you want, it's time to pick your destination. Think about the climate, culture, and activities that excite you. Do some research online, read travel blogs, and check out social media for inspiration. Consider practical factors too, like travel restrictions, safety, and your budget. Narrow down your options until you find the perfect place that matches your vision. This step is all about aligning your dreams with reality, so take your time and enjoy the process. Now that you have a destination in mind, it's essential to set a realistic budget. Start by estimating the major expenses: flights, accommodation, food, activities, and local transportation. Don't forget to include a little extra for unexpected costs or emergencies. Use online tools and travel forums to get a sense of typical prices. Setting a budget early helps you make informed choices and prevents overspending, so you can focus on enjoying your trip without financial stress. Timing can make a big difference in your travel experience. Research the best time to visit your chosen destination, considering weather, local festivals, and peak tourist seasons. Traveling during the off-season can save you money and help you avoid crowds, while visiting during a festival might offer unique cultural experiences. Check for any seasonal closures or events that could impact your plans. This step ensures you get the most out of your trip. With your destination and timing set, it's time to book your flights. Compare prices across different airlines and booking platforms to find the best deals. Consider factors like layovers, baggage policies, and flight times. Booking in advance often helps you secure better prices and more options. Don't forget to check visa requirements and entry regulations for your destination before finalizing your booking. This step brings your trip one step closer to reality. Next, look for a place to stay that fits your budget and preferences. Whether you prefer hotels, hostels, vacation rentals, or even camping, there are plenty of options available. Read reviews, compare amenities, and consider the location in relation to the attractions you want to visit. Booking platforms often offer filters to help you narrow down your choices. Secure your accommodation early, especially during busy travel seasons, to ensure you get the best spot. A well-thought-out itinerary helps you make the most of your time. Start by listing the must-see attractions and activities at your destination. Map out your days, balancing sightseeing with downtime to avoid burnout. Be flexible, leave room for spontaneous adventures or changes in plans, use travel apps or spreadsheets to organize your schedule. A good itinerary ensures you experience all the highlights without feeling rushed. Some activities and tours require advance booking, especially popular ones. Research what's available at your destination and decide which experiences you don't want to miss. Booking ahead can save you time and money, and sometimes even get you special discounts. Make sure to keep confirmation emails and tickets organized, either digitally or in print. This step ensures you won't miss out on the experiences that matter most to you. Getting around at your destination is an important part of your trip. Research local transportation options, such as public transit, taxis, car rentals, or bike shares. Consider purchasing passes or tickets in advance if available. Knowing how you'll get from place to place saves time and reduces stress once you arrive. Make note of routes, schedules, and any apps that can help you navigate the local system. Before you leave, make sure all your travel documents are in order, check that your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel dates, research visa requirements, and apply early if needed. Make copies of important documents like your passport, visa, and travel insurance, and keep them in a safe place. Having your paperwork ready ensures a smooth journey through airports and borders. Travel insurance is a must for any trip. It protects you against unexpected events like trip cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. Compare different insurance plans to find one that fits your needs and budget. Make sure you understand what's covered and how to make a claim if necessary. Having insurance gives you peace of mind, so you can focus on enjoying your adventure. Your health is important when traveling. Check if you need any vaccinations or medications for your destination. Pack a basic first aid kit with essentials like pain relievers, bandages, and any prescription medicines. If you have allergies or medical conditions, carry a doctor's note and translations if necessary. Staying healthy on the road means you can fully enjoy your trip. Packing can make or break your travel experience. Make a checklist of essentials based on your destination's climate and activities. Choose versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. Don't forget chargers, adapters, toiletries, and any special gear you might need. Pack light to make moving around easier, but be sure you have everything necessary for comfort and convenience. Before you leave, take care of things at home. Arrange for someone to collect your mail, water your plants, or look after pets. Set up timers for lights to make your home look lived in. Unplug electronics and secure valuables. These small steps help you travel with peace of mind, knowing everything is taken care of back home. Handling money while traveling can be tricky. Notify your bank of your travel plans to avoid card issues. Research the best ways to access cash, whether it's ATMs, credit cards, or local currency exchanges. Carry a mix of payment options and keep emergency cash in a separate place. This ensures you're prepared for any situation and can enjoy your trip without financial worries. Staying in touch while traveling is important for safety and convenience. Check if your phone plan covers international roaming or consider getting a local SIM card. Download offline maps and translation apps before you go. Share your itinerary with family or friends so they know how to reach you. Being connected helps you navigate new places and stay in touch with loved ones. If you're traveling to a country where you don't speak the language, learning a few key phrases can go a long way. Practice greetings, directions, and how to ask for help. Carry a phrase book or use a translation app. Locals appreciate the effort, and it can help you navigate daily situations more smoothly. Communication is key to a richer travel experience. Every destination has its own customs and etiquette. Take time to learn about local traditions, dress codes, and social norms. This shows respect for the culture and helps you avoid misunderstandings. Read up on tipping practices, greetings, and any taboos. Being culturally aware enriches your travel experience and helps you connect with locals. Safety should always be a priority when traveling. Research common scams and safety tips for your destination. Keep your valuables secure and be aware of your surroundings. Register with your embassy if required and know the local emergency numbers. Taking precautions helps you avoid trouble and ensures a worry-free trip. Traveling responsibly helps protect the places you visit. Choose eco-friendly accommodations and transportation when possible. Respect wildlife and natural habitats, and minimize your waste by carrying reusable items. Support local businesses and communities. Sustainable travel ensures that beautiful destinations remain for future generations to enjoy. Maintaining your health while traveling is crucial. Drink plenty of water, eat balanced meals, and get enough rest. Be cautious with street food, and always wash your hands before eating. If you're traveling to high altitudes or different climates, give your body time to adjust. Staying healthy means you can enjoy every moment of your trip. Capturing memories is one of the joys of travel. Bring a camera or use your smartphone to take photos and videos. Keep a travel journal to record your experiences and thoughts. Share your adventures with friends and family through social media or postcards. Documenting your journey helps you relive the memories long after you return home. Even the best laid plans can change. Weather, transportation delays, or unexpected events may require you to adjust your itinerary. Stay positive and flexible, and see changes as opportunities for new experiences. Sometimes, the most memorable moments come from the unexpected. Embrace the adventure and go with the flow. Technology can make travel easier and more enjoyable. Use apps for navigation, translation, and booking activities. Store important documents digitally for easy access. Stay updated on local news and weather through your devices. Technology helps you stay organized and informed throughout your journey. Be mindful of your impact on the environment while traveling. Avoid single-use plastics, dispose of waste properly, and conserve water and energy. Stick to marked trails and respect wildlife habitats. Every small action counts towards preserving the beauty of the places you visit. Sampling local food is a highlight of any trip. Be adventurous and try dishes unique to your destination. Visit local markets, street vendors, and family-run restaurants for authentic flavors. Ask locals for recommendations and be open to new tastes. Food is a wonderful way to connect with a culture and people. Meeting people from different backgrounds is one of the most rewarding parts of travel. Be friendly and open to conversations. Participate in local events or community activities. Respect local customs and listen to stories from residents. These interactions can lead to unforgettable memories and new friendships. Bringing home souvenirs is a great way to remember your trip. Look for unique, locally made items that reflect the culture of your destination. Support small businesses and artisans whenever possible. Be mindful of customs regulations and avoid products made from endangered species. Souvenirs are more meaningful when they tell a story. Emergencies can happen anywhere, so it's important to be prepared. Know the location of the nearest hospital or embassy. Keep emergency contacts and insurance information handy. Have a plan for lost passports, medical issues, or natural disasters. Being prepared helps you stay calm and handle any situation effectively. Organization is key to a smooth trip. Keep all your travel documents, tickets, and reservations in one place, either digitally or in a travel wallet. Use checklists to track your tasks and packing. Set reminders for important dates like flights or hotel check-ins. Staying organized helps you avoid last-minute stress and enjoy your journey. Traveling across time zones can leave you feeling tired and disoriented. To minimize jet lag, adjust your sleep schedule before you leave, stay hydrated, and get sunlight during the day. Avoid heavy meals and caffeine close to bedtime. Give yourself time to rest and adapt to the new time zone. A little preparation goes a long way in helping you feel your best. Using public Wi-Fi while traveling can put your personal information at risk. Use a VPN to protect your data and avoid accessing sensitive accounts on unsecured networks. Keep your devices updated and use strong passwords. Being cautious online helps keep your information safe during your travels. Traveling with children requires extra planning. Pack snacks, entertainment, and comfort items for the journey. Choose family-friendly accommodations and activities. Allow for breaks and be flexible with your schedule. With a little preparation, traveling with kids can be a fun and rewarding experience for the whole family. Traveling alone can be empowering and liberating. Plan your itinerary carefully and share it with someone you trust. Stay in safe areas and trust your instincts. Join group tours or activities to meet new people. Solo travel is a chance to discover yourself and the world on your own terms. Group travel can be a lot of fun, but it also requires coordination. Discuss expectations and preferences with your travel companions. Divide responsibilities, such as booking accommodations or planning activities. Be open to compromise and communicate openly. Traveling with friends is about making memories together and enjoying each other's company. Long layovers can be an opportunity to explore a new city or simply relax. Research what's available at the airport or nearby. Some airports offer tours or lounges for travelers with extended waits. Use the time to stretch, eat, or catch up on reading. Making the most of layovers turns waiting time into part of your adventure. Planning a trip can feel overwhelming at times. Break the process into small, manageable steps and celebrate each milestone. Stay inspired by reading travel stories, watching videos, or connecting with other travelers. Remember, the effort you put into planning will pay off with a smoother, more enjoyable journey. Knowing the weather forecast for your destination helps you pack appropriately and plan activities. Check the forecast a few days before you leave and adjust your packing list if necessary. Be prepared for changes in weather by bringing layers or rain gear. Staying informed helps you avoid surprises and enjoy your trip, rain or shine. Before you head out, go through a final checklist to make sure everything is ready. Confirm all bookings, check your documents, and review your packing list. Make sure your home is secure and all arrangements are in place. A final review helps you leave with confidence, knowing you haven't forgotten anything important. On the day of your trip, give yourself plenty of time to get to the airport. Double-check your flight time and terminal. Make sure you have your passport, tickets, and any required documents. Arriving early helps you avoid stress and gives you time to relax before your flight. The adventure is about to begin. Airports can be busy and confusing, especially if you're traveling internationally. Follow signs, listen for announcements, and don't hesitate to ask staff for help. Go through security checks and find your gate with time to spare. Familiarize yourself with airport layouts and amenities to make your experience smoother. Travel isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey too. Take time to enjoy the process, from the excitement of departure to the anticipation of arrival. Listen to music, read a book, or simply watch the world go by. Every moment is part of your adventure, so savor the experience. Once you arrive, take a moment to get your bearings, collect your luggage, go through customs, and find your way to your accommodation. Use maps or apps to navigate, and don't hesitate to ask for directions. The excitement of arrival marks the beginning of your new adventure, so take it all in and get ready to explore. After a long journey, take some time to settle into your new surroundings. Unpack, freshen up, and familiarize yourself with your accommodation. Check out nearby shops or restaurants and get a feel for the neighborhood. Settling in helps you relax and prepares you for the adventures ahead. Now that you've arrived and settled in, it's time to make the most of your trip. Explore, try new things, and immerse yourself in the local culture. Take lots of photos, meet new people, and enjoy every moment. Remember, the best trips are about the memories you create and the experiences you share. Safe travels and happy adventures.